Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to connect Zapier with ChatGPT or OpenAI. So first of all guys, I will need you to go first and open your device and go ahead to the browser that you have on your device and open this URL, which is going to be Zapier. Uh, Zapier, so here it is, zapier.com. And here we go. So now what I need you guys to do is to sign up or log in. But first we will have to go to search by app and search for OpenAI. So let's search for all the features that got and the function that we have within Zapier and OpenAI. So let's see now. As you can see, you can do more with OpenAI ChatGPT integrations. Ability to connect OpenAI ChatGPT with thousands of the most popular apps, so you can automate your work and have more time to for what matters most. So you need no code required. Now if we go all the way down, so here we go. Let's go all the way down. That's how you can connect your apps and automate workflows. And here you will see all the popular ways to use OpenAI ChatGPT workflows. So for example, you can set OpenAI prompts via send SMS messages with new image in Gmail. You can create email copy in OpenAI from new woodpecker prospects and add snippets to them. You can moderate new TIDB cloud roles with OpenAI, create email copy with OpenAI from new Gmail emails and save as draft in email. You can add acceptance criteria as comment to new issue in Jira using OpenAI. Create OpenAI content from new Zenket item and update them. Send OpenAI prompts in your received timeless AI messages and so more. If you want to go more even further, you can see this one in here. Send prompts in OpenAI and so more options that OpenAI actually give you. So as you can see here, there's some information about it, and if you want to try any one of these, you can just have to click on this button in here, which is try. So let's click, for example, on try in here, and basically it will take you to sign up section. You have to create an account, etc., and just like that, you put your information and you will be ready to go, guys. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.